Good morning, children. Today we will be doing your chapter number 2, Mayur, the peacock from your reader book. Children, in this story or in this prose, we will be reading about a peacock called Mayur and what did he do and things about him. Okay, now let's read here. Before you read, some people are very self-centered. Self-centered. इस शब्द का क्या मतलब हुआ चिल्ड्रन? सी इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट इज सेल्फ एंड सेकंड इज CENTERED. सेंटर्ड. सेंटर्ड मतलब अगर कोई चीज़ है उसका जो सेंटर है वो. सेल्फ सेंटर्ड मतलब उसने अपने आप को सेंटर बना रखा है हर चीज़ का. वो सेल्फिश है और वो अपने ही फ़ायदे के लिए काम करता है. सेल्फ सेंटर्ड मतलब अपने ही फ़ायदे के लिए काम करना या अपने ही बारे में सोचना, अपने आप को ही हर चीज़ का सेंटर बना देना. ओके, सेंटर इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, राइट? सो अपने आप को जो लोग हर चीज़ का सेंटर बना देते हैं वो सेल्फ सेंटर्ड होते हैं. ऑलराइट, ओके. दे थिंक ओनली अबाउट देमसेल्व्स ऑल द टाइम. दे ऑफन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस they miss simple pleasures of life. Now, some people are self-centered. They always think about themselves, right? And because they are always thinking of themselves, they miss out on many things in life, many small pleasures of life. All right? Let us understand this by reading the story of Mayur the peacock. Okay, let's read the story of Mayur the peacock and let's understand कि जो सेल्फ सेंटर्ड लोग होते हैं उनके साथ क्या होता है. Okay, Mayur was a peacock. He lived in Pakshi Vihar, but he kept to himself. Kept to himself का क्या मतलब है? To spend a lot of time alone without talking to other people. Kept to himself का मतलब है अपने आप के साथ ही रहता था. That means he used to spend his time alone without talking to other people. Okay, but he kept to himself most of the time. He thought of his looks all day. Thought मतलब सोचना, past में. ओके, इट थॉट किसका पास्ट टेंस होता है चिल्ड्रन? थिंक का. आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट माई लुक्स. आई थॉट अबाउट माई लुक्स. ठीक है, थॉट मतलब पास्ट में. ओके, ऑफ हिज लुक्स ऑल डे. ही यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट हिज लुक्स. ही नेवर गॉट टायर्ड ऑफ एडमायरिंग हिज ब्यूटिफुल प्लमेज. He never got tired मतलब वो कभी नहीं थकता था. He never used to get tired of admiring his beautiful plumage. Admiring means to appreciate. Okay, admiring means appreciating his beautiful plumage. Plumage means children जो feathers होते हैं ना एक bird के, उनको हम plumage कहते हैं. Okay, so this part is called plumage here. This one, plumage. PLUMAGE. This is an important word, children. Learn it. Okay. Once, let's read. Children, I'm zooming in so that आपको समझ में आए. Okay. You can also open your books and read. Once he had noticed a tourist combing her hair and he had loved the idea of maintaining his plumage all the time. Once, यहाँ पे ही कौन है? यहाँ पे ही है मयूर. He had noticed a tourist. A tourist came combing her hair. A tourist came and he combed the hair of Mayur. Okay, and he loved the idea of maintaining his plumage. That means Mayur loved the idea of maintaining his plumage. Maintaining means to take care. Alright, maintaining his plumage. So he thought, because the tourist loved his plumage, now he thought that I should maintain my plumage. Maintain means to take care. Maintain means to take care. Okay. Thus he had made a comb with a few sticks and carried it everywhere he went. Thus मतलब after having the idea of maintaining plumage, thus means as a result of. Now यहाँ पे हमने thus क्यों यूज़ किया है? Because he had an idea of maintaining plumage. उसके रिजल्ट में he had made a comb. उसने एक comb बनाया with few sticks. उसने as a result of loving the idea of maintaining his plumage, he made a comb with a few sticks and carried it everywhere he went. That means उसने एक स्टिक से कोम बनाया और वो हर जगह उसको लेके जाता था जहाँ पे भी वो जाता था. Everywhere he went. Okay, he carried it everywhere he went. Alright. Now, okay, we are here. Sorry. Alright. Okay. He used it so often that it had almost become toothless now. He used it so often. Often का मतलब है again and again. Often का मतलब होता है ज़्यादातर. Okay. Again and again. Again and again. Rather often का मतलब होगा बहुत बार. A lot of many times. So he used to use the comb a lot many times and it had almost become toothless now. Toothless means आपने देखा होगा comb होता है उसके ऐसे ऐसे स्पोक्स निकले होते हैं, इनको हम टूथ कहते हैं. कोम के टूथ कहते हैं. अब जो जो कोम था जो कि मयूर ने बनाया था स्टिक्स के साथ, इट मस्ट हैव लुक्ड समथिंग लाइक दिस. So ये जो हुए ये टूथ हुए कोम के. Now he used to comb his plumage so many times that now these tooth had been broken. It was so overused, the comb was so much overused that the tooth had broken now. Alright. Okay. He sometimes wished he had a mirror to admire himself in, but then he reasoned. Okay, let's understand this sentence into two parts. He sometimes wished he had a mirror to admire himself. That means he used to wish that oh God, I could have had a mirror so that I could have seen myself into it and admired myself. Admire का क्या मतलब होता है? Admire का मतलब होता है to appreciate. हमने यहाँ पे पढ़ा था admiring का क्या मतलब होता है. ये सेम ही वर्ड है चिल्ड्रन. ओके. बट ही reasoned to himself that at least he could see himself in the clear water of the pond. He reasoned का मतलब क्या है कि पहले तो उसने विश किया कि हे भगवान, काश मेरे पास एक मिरर होता तो मैं उसमें अपने आप को देख लेता. बट देन उसने सोचा ही reasoned himself. उसने अपने आप को एक और रीज़न दिया. दुखी ना होने के लिए उसने एक और रीज़न दिया, that at least he has the clear water of the pond in which he can see himself and admire himself. Okay, so the clear water of the pond served as a mirror to Mayur for admiring himself. Alright. Okay, the last few lines of the page. Every day he strutted down the pond, opened his tail wide and gazed at himself. Strutted means rushed. Strutted means sorry children. Strutted means rush. Okay, he used to rush down to the pond and open his tail. Tail here means plumage. Tail here means plumage on this word here. Okay, tail wide and gazed at himself. Gaze means to, look at something in love, with a lot of love. You are gazing at the flowers, so means you are loving the color of the flowers and the feel that you are getting after watching them, and you're gazing at something, you're ogling it. Ogling is a bit bad word, but gazing is to look at someone with a lot of love. Okay, all right. Last line. What a beautiful bird I am. He used to gaze himself into the pond and he used to say, wow, what a beautiful bird I am. वो बहुत ही self centered था, right? He used to think about himself only. So that's why he used to say, oh wow, मैं कितना सुंदर हूँ. So he used to admire himself by saying such things. Okay. He would exclaim. He would exclaim that, wow, what a beautiful bird I am, right? Children, for this you can please see your book because I'm not able to make you see like that. Then he would take out his comb and start peering again. That means पहले तो वो कहता था कि oh wow, such a beautiful bird I am, and then he would take out his comb and then start combing his tail again. Okay, so today we learned that he was a very very self-centered peacock, and he used to love his plumage, and also that he used to take care of his plumage a lot. He used to maintain his plumage. Let's read ahead, children. हम यहाँ तक करेंगे. We will only do some part today. Rest we will do tomorrow. Okay. All right. The other birds were tired of asking him to join them in their games. Now the other birds are also there in Pakshi Vihar, the jungle where he used to live. So all the birds were really tired of asking him to join them in their games. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? They were tired of what? The other birds they were tired of asking him. यानी कि उसको पूछ के वो परेशान हो चुके थे. That they wanted him to join their game, but Mayur never agreed. Okay. Now it's an important part, children, here. Hansa, the handsome heron. There was a heron. Heron is kind, जैसे हिंदी में हम बगुला कहते हैं ना, वो heron होता है. ठीक है, HERON. इंग्लिश में heron कह सकते हैं यहाँ पे से. So heron is a kind of a bird which lives in water, as in land and water both, eat fish. Okay, so there was a heron called Hansa. His name was Hansa. Called out to him one day and said, just a second. Okay, so he called out to him and said, shut your tail and play water polo with us. Shut your tail and play water polo with us. No, thank you, said Mayur. So the Hansa the heron, said to this Mayur, said, you shut down your tail, that means you close your tail and you come and play water polo with us. So the Mayur right away said, no, I don't want to play, thank you so much. My feathers will get wet and smelly. He said that I will not come and play with you because my feathers will get wet and then they will become smelly. Okay, and he continued to comb his hair. So children, we will learn till here only today. Rest we will do tomorrow. You have some homework, that is your language structure and your grammarly. This is language structure. Children, हम ये सारे topics हम already कर चुके हैं. You have to read these questions and fill in the blanks. Okay, ये already हम topic grammar में कर चुके हैं. This one also, possessive nouns हमने grammar में किए हैं already. You know what are possessive nouns and collective nouns. Alright, so you have to do grammarly and language structure, these two exercises as your homework. Okay children, that's it for today. Anything you can please ask me. Thank you.